Yeah, good day, guys. Good day. Sure, I can say good evening. Okay, so we're going to be doing tea time. We're having Gina as our main presenter for tea time, unless if they have to change. But for now, we do have Gina. So I'm going to say the banker on top. Let me just say the banker. It should be 41 or 14. Okay, let's just put a stroke. And then here at the bottom, the banker is 10. Banker is 10 or 1, because that's how they spin their numbers. Okay, so all in all, this is what we have. We have our banker is 41 or 14 or 10. The banker for today, that's what we have. So now I'm going to do this. I'm going to calculate with you guys. I'm going to start with the top chord, which is 147. So 147, it tells me that this one is 41. Then there's also a 47. There's also a 48. There's also a 46. Then there's there's a 7. Either way, Gina loves to do this 417. This number always played on drive and tea time as well. She loves to do that. And then if we say 1 plus 4 is, or like 14 minus 7 is 7. 14 plus 7, that should be a 21. So it's 21 if you separate, it's a 7. So always if you see a chord 147, she can split or she can play it as a 417, because already a 40 has dropped. So I know that she's going to try to make some magic on that, but she won't make it. It's going to be also 1 plus 4 plus 7, which is giving us a 12, which is a 21. So either way, they should be one of these numbers, 21 or 12 must drop. Okay, at the bottom here, I do have a 1. Actually, this is a 101. Let me see. It's 110. It's 110. I can put it as a 110, which gives me an 11 and a 9. Okay, don't worry about the background noise. You know, some people, they play music, so I cannot stop my work because of that. Okay, so let me try to make the bankers, the singles as well. I'm gonna say 14, 44, 41, 17, 4, then 10. And then what do you call that number, 11 maybe. But then there's a 46 as well. You know, these numbers will end up being like, there's a 46 and then there's a 48, because I see it's going on 40s, so I do have to say that. Then there's a 12. Okay, so what I'm trying to say here is, guys, for example, our banker is 10. So what I'm going to do, according to my own, I'm going to go to the pairing app and see which numbers are there, where there is 10 or where there is 14. So, because if you check here, already 40 dropped, 19 dropped. 19 is a 16. You know that's 16, guys. It should be a bonus ball today. Bonus straight 16. I don't doubt. Bonus straight 16. Let me see, when did the 8 come again? 8 has dropped, 13 has dropped. So 11 must drop. 11 must drop. 11 must drop. Okay, cool. So let's go to the tea time pairing and check. This is our tea. Then we're going to say tea there. We go to the triplets. We go to number 10. Number 10. Let's see what 10 has. So what I'm going to do here, as you can see that 10 hasn't dropped, but some of the numbers that go with 10 have dropped. Some of the numbers that go with 10 have dropped. So in this case, you have to do this. Go to the pairs instead. Then we go to 10, because this is what these guys do. So from 10, maybe this way. Because if you check at the bottom here, there's 1144, there's 1148, there's 1146, there's 1048, there's 1049, there's 1046, there's 1044. So I'm just trying to show you how you can maybe combine your numbers. Then let's go to number 14. Should be 14 or 41, but it's okay. For example, this one, we can say 447, 1448, 1446. So do you see that, or 1433, I'd forgotten. So it's 14, it's 11, it's 10, the bankers that I have. So it can be 1447. You mix them up. Maybe let's say you want to do a 4 number, just try to mix them up, but don't forget 417. This number is very powerful. So yeah, guys, this is some of the tips that we have. So you're welcome to join my welcome to join my WhatsApp group, and also do what, and also get books, I mean, because it's not one book. Follow the link, then we are done. Yeah, please guys, I love when it's Gina, because we will get something. Thank you very much.